Can you see my screen, guys? Let me know once you are able to see it.
Yes.
Let me see if it is on the documentation.
सबको आवाज आ रही है, मेरे को आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Yeah, sorry guys, I was on the mute. I think now I am audible, right?
Yeah,
Am I
Praveen.
audible now? Yes. Okay. So what will happen? What I'm saying you, for example, whenever you are having a reference kind of field in ServiceNow, so in that reference basically will be referencing to a record. For example, if you selected Praveen Kumar in the from the user table, so Praveen Kumar will having the Praveen Kumar record will be having some other values as well. Get reference will automatically give you the all the values of that record, right? So get reference and you will pass a function of call info. You can see this function. Let me see where it is. Yes, this function is here, right? So once you pass this function in get reference, so means automatically gform.get reference will put all the values of this record you selected in the caller object, right? And from the caller object you can access all the fields of the user table of that dedicated record. Means Praveen's location, Praveen's address, Praveen's email ID, Praveen's username, Praveen's last name, everything you can access, right? So this script you can check guys by yourself. I have shared this URL as well, and let me know what I said you just understand or not. Am I clear?
Yes, Praveen, clear.
Pranshu, am I clear?
Yeah, Praveen, it's clear now. And one more. Yeah, there was one question in the assignment to find the latitude and longitude of the location. So it is like the any location which I select to that latitude and longitude, or the location of the like the user, the caller ID. We will set a user in the caller ID. We have to find the latitude and longitude of that particular location.
What will happen whenever you are having some user, right? That
Yeah.
user will be having a location attached within its record, right? the location will be attached on that user's record, right? For example, if you are selecting a Praveen Kumar user and Praveen Kumar location is, for example, Delhi or Noida, right? So that location will be having a longitude, latitude in the inside the location table, correct? So what will happen? You, as soon as you are selecting some user, you will read what is the location, and from the location you will get that what is the longitude and latitude in that location. Okay, this way it will work. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, Pranshu, thank you. So now I will move to Rutuja.
Praveen, some of the business rule part and a client script is still pending in my assignment. Remaining is done, but I have one doubt in this day four assignment. That is last third question. Assigned to should only show the agents having role issue management worker, and means I am getting confused in between this question and assigned to should only display the member of assignment group selected. Like we have
File
this
number.
third this last third question was there now this I have done like the assigned to group is that field is showing only the members which who are having the assignment management work issue management worker role, but in this question like assigned to should only display the member. In this question how can we apply the means same filter like these two questions are containing only option like this field only display this and this, so how can I apply the filter here? I'm not getting that.
Okay, so when if you want to apply this filter that assigned to should show all the users which are belonging to a assignment group, you just select it, right? For that purpose you have to use a dependent field, right? One thing is dependent,
Okay.
right? So in that dependent, when you will pass that, okay, this particular field, so means when you will click on the dependent, it will ask you that which field it should depend, right?
Okay.
So when you will do configuration, it will automatically show you all those users which are in the group you just selected. Okay,
Okay.
in this way you have to do it. Any other question or that's it?
No, that's it. That's it.
Okay, so Rutuja, means when I can expect by today OD?
Yes. By today I will come.
Okay, who is your buddy?
Prachi.
Prachi. Okay, so get it signed from the Prachi and by today OD as much as possible and complete it, yeah. Huh? Okay.
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 Sure.
Thank you. Shahbaz.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Pranchu, if you want to close your video.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, Shahbaz. Yeah.
Yeah. Today I will start the business rules assignment. Before that, I have completed all the questions. So I will complete by EOD this business rules assignment.
Who is your buddy?
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh is your buddy.
Yes.
Okay. Shahbaz, you have to complete it, and with the completion of this assignment, you have to get it means verified from the Utkarsh as well once. Okay. So have that time as well with you.
Yeah, at the end of the daily, we discuss meeting with our buddy. So if we have any problems, so we can discuss and show the questions. So they will help me.
ठीक है Shahbaz. Okay, so I think you can complete it. It would be good. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
Shahbaz. Okay, thank you. Shilpi, you there? One minute. Let me connect my charger. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, Shilpi. Yeah. What is your status? I can't hear you. You are on the mute.
Praveen, as per our yesterday's discussion, so I'm just going through the topics and clearing my concepts.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ,
ठीक है. So
as you told me.
how much I can expect that you have completed or some topics you have covered?
Like I have started working on business rules. So I just covered the first 2 points of that.
Acha, okay. Who is
Yeah.
your buddy? I think
But
Varun.
yeah.
You are talking to him?
Yeah.
Are you talking to him daily basis?
Yeah, yeah, I'm talking to him.
ठीक है. So Shilpi, means obviously you are from UI UX team, but I am
Yeah.
expecting you also, right? So start to cover some more topics and give some extra time, clear your
Yeah.
doubts, right? So it will help you to become a ServiceNow developer as well.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay Shilpi. Thank you. Yeah, Sunil. Sunil, you are on the mute.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Yeah, hi.
Few problems are left in business rule that I'll be completing, and client script is also left, so that I'll be doing today, and by evening I'll submit. Yesterday I spoken with my buddy Atul, so I showed him my assignments which I have completed. So he told me to complete the remaining part and send the documents of all those BRs and these things, the theory parts also. So by today evening I will send him.
Okay, so are you guys, means every one of you and you Sunil as well, are you tracking everything in the update set?
Yeah, we are tracking.
Okay.
Yeah,
ठीक है Sunil. Okay, thank you.
yeah.
Vishal. Vishal, you there?
Hello.
Yes,
Uh,
Vishal.
yeah, Praveen, my day 2, day 3 assignment is completed. In business rule, I have completed almost 40, and I
Okay.
have started client script also, and I guess 3 I have completed till now. By the end of the day, I guess I might be completing client script also. Whatever doubts are there, I am discussing with my buddy, that is Parveen. He was having a family emergency yesterday, so we couldn't connect on the meeting. So
Okay.
most probably, whenever he is free or whenever he's out of the situation, he will connect to us.
So is he available today? Did you check?
Uh, no, I didn't ask about today, but I guess he's having some problem. So I thought that it is not good asking the same thing. So that's why.
Okay, so your discussion is getting impacted, or you don't need any discussion right now. Otherwise, I will ask Pradyuman to arrange some other person for now.
Uh,
If you
for now, I am taking help from Telegram and means ServiceNow community also. It is helping a lot. And rest, if there is some immediate action, then I will convey this to Pradyuman or whatever is needed. I will tell.
okay, Vishal. So means by today EOD I can expect, right?
Client script, most of the part which I can complete, I will complete it today. And if the doubts are there, I will try to connect to Praveen. If he's not there, I will connect to Pradyuman and tell the things, whatever the situation is.
Okay, Vishal. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you.
So thank you guys everyone for letting me know about your status of the assignment. So guys, now today we are not covering any new topic because many of you have not received your assets. So we are not covering any new topic today. Let me know if you guys need any clarity in any particular topic. Otherwise, I can means I can close this call. We can wrap it up for now, and you can continue
Praveen,
with your
I
study.
have one
Yes.
doubt in client script that the if
Mm-hmm.
the user is having a particular role,
Huh?
then means there is one client script. Let me tell you. Then closed option should be not visible to him. Means in state field, choice in
Uh-huh.
out of choices, closed option should not be visible. So I'm writing the client script. I have written the client script,
Yeah.
which is on load, and I have given the situations also, but that's not working.
Okay. So means may I know you are saying basically? Can you either let me know the question number or the day number, or otherwise tell me again the problem statement.
Client script, that is day 6, and question number is second,
1 minute.
means second bullet point.
Hide closed issue state from everyone, but issue management admin.
Right.
Acha, okay.
Shall I share my screen?
हाँ ठीक है. Okay.
I am facing the same problem too, Praveen.
My screen is visible.
Yes, now it is visible.
Yeah, Vishal.
So this is the client script which I have written.
Hmm. 1 minute. Who is your user with whom you are testing it?
I am testing it with I will tell you. Wait. Wait. I have added only one in that. So he is the user, means myself, that is having this admin. He's having the role of issue management admin.
Can you open this user from the user table? Not from here, from the user table. Open its record. Go down. It have issue management admin role only.
हाँ.
Okay. 1 minute. Can you open this role from here? Click on this role here. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Now impersonate with this user and show me.
What I need to show you?
Open any incident record, or sorry, not the incident record. That record where you want to test it.
Issue
That
table.
issue
Right?
management.
Why is not opening?
Contract of this caller is expired. Create new issue. Where click again on it. Go to the all issues.
Security constraints prevent access to request page.
So basically, when you create the table, na, you created a default role to the table, and you have not given that role to this user Vishal Mishra. So now go back and impersonate. Go to the user and impersonate. How did you test it at the time then?
See, basically in the issue management admin, I have not specified any role. That is just only a default means I have created a role and I have just given it. Nothing permission is given to him. Only he is having the means issue management admin.
Okay, so means this user should be able to see that table, na, right?
Huh. I guess in group I have not added the table. Means.
Okay. Go to your issue management table.
Right.
Go. You can see 3 bars beside number, not on the column. Yes. Go to there and configure table. 5th option. Come down. No. Okay, scroll up, and go to scroll up. Yes, scroll up. Yeah, oh, scroll up once more. Acha, okay. No. Go down. Yes. Go down. And 1 minute. Okay, go down. Yes. So you are seeing at the here user role x underscore 48575479. So this role always you have to give your users. No. Now this role you have to give for at least this role you have to give to your users. Then they will be able to access this table.
Okay,
Okay.
means
So open the record of that user, and in that user record go to the roles and search for this role. This role you have to give to your users, or you can give this role on the group as well, right? Automatically all the users will be having this role. Then they will be able to see your table, and then you can test it. I saw there is no issue with the script. There should be the issue of your testing, how you're testing it basically.
means you are saying that in Vishal Mishra, I have to give that particular role.
Either to Vishal Mishra or either the group from Vishal to which Vishal belongs to.
Okay, means he belongs to group management service desk.
So you have to give that role to this user or either on the group. Okay, then you can test it. Otherwise, test it right now. Otherwise, you can connect with me after some time. Right, I will be available after half an hour of after closing this meeting. Then we can discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Any other thing, guys? Otherwise, I will close this call because I have some work as well, and you guys also can continue with your assignments as you most of you have to do it by today OD. Not new topics we are covering today, and no new assignments. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Praveen, no other doubts.
ठीक है. Okay, guys. So I am closing this call for now, and you can connect with your please. Otherwise, with me.
Hi, Praveen. Actually, I will be able to do the business rule part. So the later client script part, I will submit in a day or two. It's okay then. By tomorrow evening, maybe.
Okay, Pranshu. What we
Okay.
can do is okay. No issues. My major concern is that you should learn. Okay. So learn it and then do it.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye everyone.
Bye, Praveen.
Bye.